Alam kong ang hirap pag-isipan po ang death as an option, as an alternative. But we also have the option of dying daily to ourselves. Instead of, enjoy tayo, mag-tour tayo at magbakasyon, happy-happy tayo. Lord, yung mga kababayan namin naghihirap, kakulangan ng edukasyon, kakulangan ng direksyon. I will give up my leisure, I will die daily. I will die to my natural inclination to have a little pleasure or much pleasure. Ibubuhos ko while there is time. Is there time? I hope so. I hope so. What is happening in the Senate, in the Congress, lower house, shows that time may be very, very little for us. If we make the wrong decisions in this 2-year window before we elect a national leader in 2028, and if we fail to all be heroes now, while we are together and we have this spirit of Rizal with us, we may lose this chance to really create a generation, a collective of Rizal, the hero and the reformist doctor. We have to be excellent in our craft, and that's all of you. But the greater challenge is to be excellent as persons. How do we treat others? How do we regard human life? Does it come with all respect for the dignity embodied in the fact that we were made in the image of God? Do we have an intergenerational long view? Do you see your family lineage of heroes? Of the heroes who fought not only for independence from Spain and from America, but right now, independence from the bondage of poverty, etc. Buhay pa rin ba yan? Yung kabayanihan. Have a long-term view. Sana yung kaapo-apuhan ko, may pusong bayani pa rin. Aim always for the transcendent, things that last beyond our physical life. Our memories, how will our people remember us? Will they hear their voices when they face a moral dilemma? Sabi ni Daddy Doctor, ganito daw ang gagawin ko pag ako ay tinattempt ng bribery. Sabi ni Lolo Doctor, ganito daw dapat marangal ang Pilipino at hindi bababa sa kabastusan at pang-aapi ng kapwa. Aim for the transcendent ends and purposes of men. We are, if you believe the epistles of Paul, kung kayo ay naniniwala na tama ang sinasabi niya, no eye has seen, no ear has heard what God has reserved for us.